Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? So quick little video. I'm gonna show you guys my timing belt kit. Okay, I'm changing the water pump. That's AISIN. That comes from the TKH001 kit from AISIN. Okay, AISIN water pump. Heard a lot of good things and a little bit of bad things. We have the crankshaft seal. Okay, 91212 P88801. I'll put the part numbers in the description below. Okay, we have the camshaft seals as well, 91213R70A02. Okay, we have the idler pulley. Okay, idler pulley, tensioner pulley. These are both KOYO. Okay, right here we have a nice XLR8 crank pulley, all aluminum, really nice, weighs 2 pounds. Just got that in. We have the hydraulic tensioner right here. Okay, nice little thingy. Timing belt, of course, the Gates Racing blue timing belt, T286RB. Again, I'm gonna put the part numbers in the description below. Okay, so you guys check that out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be changing the water pump, the seals, and the crankshaft pulley. So doing the whole timing belt, everything. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, you guys.